I really need somebody. Tell me you that somebody. I don't care about your bodies.
Cause all of these niggas be on you. From the thing I can be. Yeah, I'm the one that you call and you talk to, girl. I'll share my world with you. If you gonna waste your time, then waste your time. I mean, honestly, open your eyes and see. If you gonna waste your time, then waste your time. You could have all this space, more than you need. There's no pressure, if you got time to waste it with you. Then I ain't worried about them. Girl, you wanted us to see. And I am who I am. And I be where I be. If you ever hit me on the late night.
I won't tell on the bros for the immunity. Man, beat them, that shit ain't gon' ruin me. I'm the only one now let outdo me. I got hoes by the group tryna do me. My life like a movie, get hit in the water. Don't got put in no work, I in order. This shit ain't got serious, the meetings come plural. I'm living by morals, we swiping and keeping no word. Explorer, I'm young and I'm turned, I got pictures galore. My baby mom will cost 250, I'm splurging. Got 5 million cash just in case it get merged. My young niggas still get away, they be virgin. It happen like this, I ain't do it on purpose. I'm working my move, nigga, who's on you working? I turned on my coupe, bought a coupe off a version. I'm tired of these strippers, I'm pouring that nurses and doctors and dentists. You started, I finished, I told you be with it. My word is like gold in my city, I tell them to go, they gon' get it. I heard that you froze when they hit it. Putting these hoes in the business, you know that you trippin'. I tell them no, they gon' listen. Knowing these niggas be sweet and some bitches, I'm different. She tryna leave me, I'm low down. I hang with savages, don't bring your whole round. I'm going bougie, I'm switching my profile. All of my cars get delivered with no mouth. They think they do and we don't, I don't know how. Run through the low car, the plug, I need more pounds. I put on drip every day from the floor up. I'm getting sick of this shit, post some more up. Yeah, cullin' and shouting, my driving name Sally. I keep it on point, make sure nobody follow us. I got a Glock with a shot that can stop a truck. I get the money, ain't ways like an octopus. Nowhere in hell, I'ma give all these choppers up. Team full of players, ain't nobody stopping us. We got a run, give a fuck that we poppin' them. Been raising hell back in school, I was poppin' them. Yeah, all of my hoes get
And that's me. I'm trying to do more. I need somebody who want me in this girl. I need you.
Nigga that I thought you were just a boy with a judge, and I'm hoping it might be so down. I feel inside your face, it's an ordinary night conversations about what we let a nigga play me. Why don't you do it twice and do the same thing?
Really, I'm made to dream of one day having your kiss. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. Can't believe I fell for your things. I'm smarter than that. So woman, I used to believe that you're a changed man. Foolish of me to compete when you cheat or lose one. It took me some time, but now I'm moved on. 'Cause I realized I hate myself. That's all I got. Yeah, it's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. Talk about it now. I'm gonna be my own best friend. Myself, that's all I got. Yeah, it's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. Talk about it now. I'm gonna be my own best friend.
So pretty.
Hi. 114 on the sides. We're doing one. Oh shit! I have something to hold my eye. Oh no! She's on. I need this stupid slip and everything. I'll come back when I am done.
So this is the lashes. This is the lashes. These are the lashes. Let me try and bring you close. See, these are the lashes. My lash map is 14, 12, 10, 10, 8. Like I put them like a little bit on top of each other, but yeah, I don't know if you guys can see it because I can't see what I'm showing you, but yeah, and they're kind of like half lashes because like they're like here, they don't go all the way into my inner corner of my eye, I don't know, but like they don't go all the way because I'm just up, but because they don't go all the way, the reason is that like they poke my eyes, so yeah, because they poke my eyes and my eyes is very irritated and I just take the whole thing out. So I'd rather do half lashes. It's not that bad face to face, but on camera it's like very visible. So yeah, and my skin looks nice, but it's just the sun and this phone, guys. So don't think that like my skin is like, oh, what do you use for your skin? My skin, let me get closer. My skin has so much texture, so like discoloration. Look, see that?
You guys, I don't know what to do. I'm in a dilemma, right? So I have a promotion, like a promotion on Uber Eats. Whatever like I buy, I get 50% off, right? But my thing, I want a chicken fold over and a mango frap or frappe, I don't know, a mango frap, like a short one. And I'm gonna pay 65 rand instead of 117 rand. Yeah, well, including delivery, I'm gonna pay 65 rand. Now my thing is that I have chicken patties and like, but I don't have like a mango frap. I don't have a mango frap, and I don't know what to do. Help me. I think I'm gonna buy it. My hunger is all the way here. I woke up at 8 today. Not 8. I woke up at 7 today, and I ate around before 10. I was done eating my breakfast, and I haven't eaten ever since. I only had a banana, and that is not okay. So I think I'm gonna order it. My order is about to be here in like 2 minutes. So let's go and get it. I'm so happy. Oh, it's bad. Seriously, I'm just throwing my key away. What the heck? I don't like people waiting on me, so I'd rather go down in advance. Yo, umoya pansi. Let's go get this food. Oh, this lighting is so pretty. She's about to be here in like 1 minute, so who opened the gate? Did I open the gate? Oh, it wasn't me. Hello.
Hold with the bottom because your drink is inside.
Oh, thank you so much.
It's a pleasure.
We are up. Oh, why is it such a big bag? Oh my goodness! Hi, baby! Guys, I haven't had this in years. Guys, I can't wait. Oh my goodness. You're not fresh. Currently, I'm going to the beach just to chill, but there's this big ass cloud, and I just want to chill in the sun and get a tan. But anyways, I want to show you guys my outfit. It's so cute. I'm gonna show you. Wait, you guys won't be able to see it properly. I'm gonna prop you on a thing. I love it. It's so cute. I'll show you guys. I'm gonna stand on this. Look, so pretty. Oh, I'm sorry. It's so pretty. Guys, look at this big ass cloud. It's by the beach. It's over the beach. It's gonna like cover, and it's. Oh, I'm already annoyed enough today. Rocks. What the fuck do you mean? Like there's rocks everywhere. Where the hell is the water? I'm not about to go that side. See that side? There's a lot of people and I don't want to go there. Ugh. I'm annoyed. I want to cry. Oh my god, I almost fell. But like there's rocks. Why would they do this to me?
Love the way you touch my body.